There are several different updates that you can do in your home, but they don't all offer the same return on investment. Here are the best ways to improve your home's value in 2018. Basement remodel. The projected trend for 2018 is high-end upscale renovations in your basement, turning them into recreational spaces. Home movie theaters, wet bars, things of that nature are what we're going to see the biggest increase in value come from this year. Some people are projecting maybe as much as 70% return on investment. So if you're thinking of making any kind of updates downstairs, go with the big stuff. Deck edition. Outdoor entertaining and living spaces are all the rage, gaining popularity in 2018. Why not add a deck to your home? Popular wood decks include redwood or cedar, and they may even return up to 71% on your investment. Upgrade your entry door. I tell sellers this all the time. You get one chance to make a first impression, so update your entry door because it's really going to improve your curb appeal. Update your siding. New siding is one of the easiest ways to give your home a new look from the exterior. Masonry and veneer siding currently are some of the best upgrades that you can do. There's tons of different options that are available, so make sure you do your research. Some people are projecting you may see as much as a 91% return on your investment if you update your siding this year. Replace your windows. Updating your windows has two big impacts that you might see. The first is, if you're trying to sell your home this year, buyers who see old windows are automatically going to assume it's going to cost a ton of money for them to make that upgrade, and they may not even make an offer because they're scared of the utility bills. In addition, if you plan on staying put, the updated windows could increase your efficiency, helping you lower your bills. Minor kitchen renovations. Everybody knows that the kitchen is the most expensive room in your entire house to update. And sometimes, if you do a full remodel, you're only going to see about a 65% return on investment. So why not focus on small things and do a minor renovation? Update your hardware, clean up your counters, maybe even go ahead and paint the cabinets to make them look more modern. Stone backsplashes could be another thing that you could add that don't cost a whole lot, and those updates could return almost 80% on the investment that you put in. Minor bathroom renovations. Much like the kitchen, a bathroom can be very expensive to completely remodel. So focus on the big things and don't do everything at one time. Maybe add a tile shower surround or even just replace a tub. Putting down new flooring could be another thing you could do to really improve the look of your bathroom. If you don't spend too much money, you could even recoup 100% of the money you put in by updating these small things. Be sure to check the description for a link to bobvila.com where this article came from for additional tips that you might know of. If I missed any that you think are great ideas to really improve the value of your home, let me know in the comments down below. Also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.